Chloe and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm back sitting in my room filming for you guys. I haven't done this in like 2 weeks because I've been traveling the world. I went to Thailand with some friends. I went to Bora Bora with Tart, which was amazing. I swam with sharks. I went scuba scootering, explored the most beautiful places I've ever seen. So if you guys want to see those travel vlogs, I will link them below. Also, something I did a lot while traveling was read more books, and by read more books I mean listen to more audiobooks. So I recently got super into Audible. While I was traveling, I had like 20-hour plane rides, 6-hour ferry boat rides, really long car rides, and something that got me through all of it was listening to audiobooks. I have recently gotten back into reading. I love reading, and for me it's really hard to find the time to sit down and like actually open a book, but to just listen to one while you're doing other things has been amazing for me. I've been listening to books on Audible, and they literally have like the biggest selection of books and podcasts and comedy shows and anything you could ever imagine. Audible hooked it up for you guys, and they're giving you a 30-day free trial if you go to audible.com/Chloe, or you can text Chloe to 500-500. So for today's 10-second challenge, I would like you guys to give this video a like, press my notifications, press subscribe if you're not already, and comment down below your favorite book in the time it takes me to download a book from Audible. Okay guys, so I just downloaded Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I'm gonna listen to it while creating my chocolate eggs for this video. It really is that easy. If you guys want to see me create the eggs, I'm gonna link a vlog below where I make them. I kind of like pre-made a lot. I have to go finish them right now. I vlogged the entire creating of the eggs, and I'll link that below for you guys. Let's get started. So this is our special guest, Rebecca.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to be on your channel.
We both do like challenge, crazy, candy, giant videos. But we're actually doing a video on her channel.
The DIY World's Largest Easter Egg Challenge.
I made us a bunch of Kinder chocolate surprise eggs, but one has a good surprise and one has a bad surprise. That is what we're doing today. We are both very cringy. We're gonna make some cringy jokes.
Okay.
And this is going to be an excellent video.
Oh, get it?
Wait, everyone.
That's a little egotistic.
On one to 10. All right, let's get this video started. Girl, we're about to be hatched.
I'm so like, what egg is what? I forgot.
Did you miss my joke?
I'm just so nervous right now.
We don't actually know what is in these eggs. One's good and one's bad, and we're just gonna find out. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
Oh.
It's a seaweed.
Ew. Mine is candy. So this is delicious.
Actually not as bad as I thought, because seaweed salad is kind of sweet. So it kind of has like an interesting taste. It's just gonna get a little bit more extreme from here.
Come on, Clovers.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, what is that? Wait, gooey. Oh god. Oh, my caramel.
Really? Teriyaki sauce.
Ew.
Why are you getting the good one?
You did this to yourself.
Yikes. I always come up with these like video ideas and then I don't actually process that I'm gonna have to do it. I keep getting all the bad eggs. Maybe it's just because I'm a bad egg. Moving on to the next one.
Okay.
I really hope I get the good one this time.
Oh, it shakes.
A cucaracha, a cucaracha. Da, 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 da.
Oh. I thought it was bugs. I literally thought it was bugs.
I got jelly beans and you got real beans.
Don't have chocolate with beans. I don't recommend it. Okay, folks. Yolks. She's taking all the puns.
You need to throw some yolks out there.
I guess I'm not that bunny. It gets worse.
Are we ready?
Oh, whoa, whoa. I hate corn.
I got candy corn. I honestly thought that one would be kind of good because corn is already sweet. I think you got that one because of your corny jokes. Corny jokes.
I can't right now. Do you want to try it? Oh, she ate a lot. You like it?
Okay. My stomach hurts.
So we have 2 left, right?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Mayo. I hope you're enjoying yourself over there.
I am. This is the best Easter egg I've ever had.
This is not okay.
Chloe. So this is the worst egg, right?
My heart's beating so fast right now.
Is it still alive? I just want to know that.
Stop. No.
That's the only thing
I'm not eating a live animal.
All of a sudden the egg just starts moving, starts to hatch.
No.
I kind of like this hyping it up.
It could be, like technically it could be, I guess.
It could be alive.
It could be.
Well, it's been in the fridge for a while.
Which one would you pick?
I guess I'm just gonna take this one. Cheers. Okay.
I'm so scared right now. Is this a joke?
All right. Are you ready for it?
Yeah. I mean, no. I just feel like there's some conspiracy going on.
1,
2, 3. I can't bite my.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Do you see it? It's sardines.
Oh. Just looking at that makes me so nauseous. It bit off all the heads. There's no head on any of those. I'm getting like sick just thinking about it.
Guys, please give this video a thumbs up. I just bit into a chocolate egg filled with sardines.
I'm so happy right now with these Swedish fish though. You're so extra.
Oh, that was a good one. You got that whole time?
Yeah, I've been planning it. Saving it for the end.
Do you want to try it?
No!
Please take a bite. I took a bite of your corn.
Stop! You seriously moved the head. Like, there's no heads on the body.
If she can come up with 5 egg puns in 5 seconds, she doesn't have to eat it.
Yep, okay.
Or let's give her like 10
seconds?
10 seconds.
To come up with
3,
5.
2, 1, go.
Okay, you're so egotistical. This was excellent. I
3.
am eagerly awaiting
1.
to No, I was under pressure.
I will take this.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, you bit off all the heads.
I'm gagging looking at it. It's so
I
bad.
can see your eyes are watering.
I'm not even joking. I'm literally crying right now.
Oh my god, you don't have to do it. I feel too bad.
Okay, hold on. I have to plug my ears. I know it's weird, but I feel like if I do this, it might help.
I can't watch. Like, I don't know if I can watch this.
I can't. Oh my gosh.
No! Oh my god, I feel so bad. Are you okay?
Oh my god! That is the grossest thing ever. That's so gross. That is so gross.
I can't believe you just did that. Oh my god.
I had no choice.
Guys, we need to get this video to like 100,000 thumbs up because she just did that. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I literally.
Can we get some like seltzer water?
I could barely do it. So, that was fun.
You are amazing. Guys, go subscribe to her. Go watch our video. Get me back.
Yes, we're doing a follow-up video soon, just so you guys know. And if you're from the Zam fam, make sure to subscribe to Chloe, even though she let me eat this.
Don't look at it. It's gonna come back to you.
I know, I'm gonna throw up again.
So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out Rebecca's video where we make the world's biggest Easter egg. Also comment down below and let me know what your favorite book is, and if you guys want to check out Audible, make sure to use my link and you'll get a 30-day free trial. That is it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.